Oh god, that was hard work. So you can make those. Welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and here on We Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. So if you like that kind of content, I would love it if you could stick around and maybe consider subscribing. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is what my son got for Christmas. Before we start, I really want to put in a disclaimer here that my little boy, he is the first grandchild on both of our sides. I'm an only child. My mum and dad are divorced, so he's already got two sets of grandparents there. We've got my mum and my stepdad, and my dad and my stepmum. We've got my husband's family who are all in France and don't see him, so they spoil him. They send huge packages over. So yes, my little boy did get a lot for Christmas, and I really hope that this does not come across as showy-offy. I really hope that you just see that this is a gift guide. It's just an inspiration, and I just wanted to share what he got for Christmas. So I'll just get straight into it. Didier is into everything at the moment. He loves anything new, anything shiny, anything noisy. He loves his toys. First up, our main Christmas present that we bought him was a balance bike. I got this balance bike off of Amazon. It was around £40, £50 I think, and he absolutely loved it. We didn't wrap it up. He came straight downstairs and he was like, bike! We're gonna get him one halfway through the year, but we just thought, no, it can be a big present for Christmas. I really wish that maybe we hadn't done this as a Christmas present. Maybe we should have bought him this halfway through the year, because as I mentioned, he has Christmas and then he has his birthday a week later, so we don't get to really replenish his toys. And in all honesty, he really could have done with like a refresh, like a new outdoor toy like that during the summer, especially with lockdown. So we're kind of kicking ourselves a bit with that, especially in the parks and things like that. He would he would basically stalk any child who had a bike or a scooter, and at the time we were like, oh yeah, he's getting one for Christmas, he'll have it in a few weeks. But really, I really wish that we'd kind of just given it to him. He has loved this bike. He isn't quite there yet on understanding how to use it, because he likes to, on Christmas Day when we went for a walk with it, he just stood up by the handlebars. He didn't kind of grasp that he had to sit down and paddle with it. Now that we've taken it out quite a few times, he's definitely getting the hang of it, but he does get very overexcited. So if we're like, no, and like run away and get him to chase us, he will get so overexcited that he kind of just gets so overwhelmed and will just start panicking and like throwing himself off the bike, and then the wheels go everywhere. It's painful to watch. He is really getting there. We bought him a helmet and a little Batman belt. It's all black, it's very sleek, and he loves it. So I'm very happy that he is happy with his bike. Next up are these cute little shopping baskets. My dad and my stepmom bought him a trolley for Christmas, and it also came with two of these shopping baskets and a load of plastic food and like little cartons. He has really enjoyed playing with these. We took our little trolley over to Morrison's the other day and he loved putting things in the trolley and zipping around the aisles with it. Definitely a good present for a toddler. Another present that we bought him was a train track from Aldi. Probably one of the #1 toys that he has played with. He's never had a train track before, and bought it from Aldi for about £16, I'm pretty sure. And it's got a little train track. It came with like a helicopter and an electric train, so you just put the battery in it and it goes around the track on its own. Really, really cool, really easy to build. It's a nightmare for a 1-year-old who keeps knocking it down, I will admit that. But he has loved this. He's never really been interested in trains on TV and things like, you know, like Thomas the Tank Engine, but he has just become obsessed with this train track. And then to go with it, my cousin from Australia, who has now moved to the UK, she bought him a load of Thomas the Tank Engine trains, and he is a child obsessed. He loves these trains. There's no word for it. He is obsessed. He obviously couldn't say Thomas, so he's like, Tom, come on, Tom. And he loves dragging these around the tracks. And even when the train track's not built, he just loves taking these around the house. He loves linking them together. They're pretty easy to just snap together and come apart really easily, and he has loved these. I think this is probably, this and the train track, aside from the bike, it's got to be his top #1 present. He did not leave these alone all day. Another present that we picked up from Aldi for him, I love Aldi Toy Special, they do some absolutely cracking toys, was this little work tool belt. So cute. So it comes with like these cute little wooden tools. So we've got a drill, a hammer. He calls this a bang bang, which is so cute because he was like, where's a bang bang? Where's a bang bang? It also comes with a little ruler and a spanner, and there's also a pair of pliers which I couldn't find already. Again, I think this was around £10 from Aldi. The Aldi toys are called Little Town Timeless Toys. I think we bought this back in October or November, and we've had them in our cupboard ever since because Aldi always does a really great toy event and we just go and stock up. I think we've done that for 2 years in a row now, and they do some excellent toys. Another thing that my dad and stepmom bought was a farm set. This is what I asked them to buy when they asked for gift ideas. I said a little Small World farm set. I said he'd really enjoy that. And this isn't all of it. It comes with another outhouse and a little farm floor and a load of farm animals. He likes it. He played with it on Christmas Day. He loved the tractors that came with the set. They bought him, I think they bought him 3 packs of different farm animals. So like farm animals and then a set of tractors. Like it didn't all come together with this, I don't think. But they bought him that and he's really enjoyed playing with it. But I will be completely honest, but the train has definitely taken over. So he doesn't actually play with this as much. But that's the beauty of these, like toy rotation, because he's not playing with these at the moment. I have put them to the side, and when he starts getting bored of the train track, I will bring this back out. But it's a really pretty little like farmhouse. You customise it how you want. It comes with all these stickers, so I added all of these on. This was from Amazon, and I know that he's going to absolutely love playing with this when he's older. From my auntie, I asked her to pick up some Kinetic sand. I really wanted some kind of sit down activity, so if I needed a moment to myself or with Nina and I just needed him to be in one place instead of just running around. He is a really good little boy, but sometimes you just do need that focused activity for 5 minutes, especially if you don't want the TV on all the time. If I put the TV on, my little boy, he won't move. He will just sit and run around the table. He'll sit and play. He won't leave the living room if the TV's on. But of course, I don't want to rely on the TV to keep him in one place, so a focused activity like this is great. Whereas like if the farm set, I can't really say that that's a focused activity because he's so little, he doesn't really have that imagination yet, and as he's got a cow in his hand and he looks up and he sees something else, he will run away. Whereas something like this that he's not really seen before will keep him entertained for ages, and he has loved this. It's like just a mini sandpit. If you're not aware of what Kinetic sand is, it's basically just mouldable sand, so it just kind of sticks together like that, and you can mould it into a ball and it will just stay like that. It's really, really satisfying, and it will kind of fall. It's so satisfying to play with. And this set is really, really cute. It comes with a load of sand already inside that you unwrap. It comes with different tools, and this one comes with like little castle blocks, so you can make those. So you can make a castle with them. And I've seen loads of different ones online, and this was around £20 I think, and he loves bringing this out. If he's getting a bit overwhelmed with all the toys or just in general, I always say, oh, should we play with the sand? And I just put it out on the table. I don't tend to do it on the floor. I do like him to be sat at the table, and I just sit with him, and at the moment I'm just trying to get him into the habit of keeping it in the tray so he doesn't take it away from the tray. And hopefully when he's a bit older and he realises that, you know, this doesn't leave the tray, I can leave him to his own devices and play with it unsupervised. Wishful thinking. And from my mum and my stepdad, he got a garage and a car mat. I asked them for this. He loves his cars. He loves anything with wheels. And again, I think the train set really did overshadow this, so he's not played with it as much, which again is fine. I've moved this to the side, and I will bring this out again when he has just phased out. He's gotten bored of the trains. This is why, again, I love toy rotation. So this garage is lovely. I'm not entirely sure where my mum got it from. He has just really enjoyed the ramps and putting his little cars down the ramps, and that is all he needed. That's all we wanted. And along with the car mat, this has been an excellent gift. And last but not least, the other thing that my mum and my stepdad bought was a camping set. Now I love this. This has been in my Amazon wishlist for a while for him. We are a very camping mad family. We started camping last year when Didier was just 6 months old, and we have not looked back. We have loved it. Even with COVID, as soon as campsites were allowed open, we went twice in the summer, and my mum very kindly bought him this set. It comes with a little pop-up tent, which I haven't brought with me because it's stashed under our sofa right now. And then it comes with this little set. So it comes with a little bag, and inside are all sorts of cute little camping goodies. So first up was a little lantern. Oh, so cute. A little like canteen. I'm pretty gutted that this isn't like, you can't really drink from it. There is like a hole, so I guess you could put water in it, but I wouldn't really do that with it. It's got like a little clip to put on his trousers. There is this cute little camping stove, and literally you turn it on. It's so cute. As a kid I absolutely loved stuff like this, so I can't wait for him to use his imagination when we're out and about camping. Next time we go camping, I'm definitely bringing all this stuff for him so he can have his own little like camping trips. I would have loved stuff like this as a kid. Came with a little first aid box, so you can open it up like that, and I'll fill it up with little odds and ends for him when we go. Again, you can clip it onto trousers and things. It came with binoculars that fold, and you... Oh god, that was hard work unfolding those. And yeah, it's just so cute. Such a cute little contraption. And they fold up like that. Here is even like a little pocket knife that comes on like with a little clip, and it slides to the side, and there's a spoon, like a tin opener, a knife and a fork. It's just, oh, it's just the cutest little thing. It has a whistle, and it also had like a torch on the top, and it's also like a little compass on the side, on either side, and then a little frying pan, so it turns into a bowl, and then it's got little handles on it, and so you can put it on top of the campfire. Oh god, it gets me every time. It's just so sweet. It also came with 2 plates and 2 sets of food, so there's like a little pepper, I think that's supposed to be bacon, and oh, and a sausage, and yeah, and it comes with 2 of those. And as you can tell, I'm very happy with that gift. I think it's just the cutest little thing. I would have absolutely loved this as a kid, and I mentioned before, obviously at the moment we're doing it all indoors anyway, but I can't wait for it to be summer and for him to actually be outside doing it. So guys, that's pretty much it for all his Christmas presents. That is the majority of it. That is the most played with thing that my little boy had for Christmas. So for an almost 2-year-old, this is what he has loved for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped in some way. I know that I love looking at gift guides on YouTube. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!